Hi, this is John McGuire at the McGuire Law Firm, and I'm going to talk about how you would release an IRS wage garnishment. So when a client calls me or a prospective client and they've had their wages garnished, that's usually or obviously the first question they ask is, how do we get this wage garnishment released? One way to get the garnishment released is if you have the money to pay off the period or periods of which the wage garnishment has been filed upon. That certainly would release the wage garnishment. There would be no further liability of which the IRS would need the garnishment to satisfy the debt. Probably the most common way to have the garnishment released is to establish an agreement with the IRS, usually an installment agreement or partial payment installment agreement, and the IRS will release that levy. Someone recently asked me if filing an offer in compromise would release the wage garnishment. It potentially could, but it's going to take a longer period of time. You're submitting that offer to an offer unit, and it's going to be quite some time until an offer examiner or anyone that might even have the authority to recommend the release of the garnishment looks at the file. So typically, if you're in a situation of which you would be submitting an offer in compromise, what you would want to do is have the wage garnishment released because it's probably creating an economic hardship. So that would be the other way of which to have the garnishment released. You would show, based off a financial statement, that having the wages garnished are creating that hardship. You are unable to pay the everyday necessities, your mortgage, your rent, food, and so forth. If you have any questions in regards to releasing a garnishment or any other IRS matter, please feel free to contact the McGuire Law Firm. We offer a free consultation to all potential clients. Thank you very much.